Namaste. You're watching Andrew on the Yogi.moksha channel, where we work with you to make yoga more accessible, more effective in your life, and most importantly, reduce your risk of injury. So you're probably asking yourself, why do I need to learn how to breathe? I do it all day, every day. What can I learn? Well, most of us breathe subconsciously, and we do it at a very shallow level. Once we learn to be aware of our breath and can moderate and regulate it, we will find many benefits, physical and mental. In yoga, breathing techniques are known as pranayama. Pranayama is used to improve your focus and improve the energy flow throughout the body. This video is aimed at those new to pranayama. What we'll do is we'll walk through an example of natural breathing known as Sahaja Pranayama. This will develop our breath awareness and deepen our actual breathing. In future videos we will cover other more specific techniques that can relax, energize or just rebalance your system, but here we'll do the basics for natural breathing. Pranayama helps us start to look inwards. It helps us become more self-aware, which is useful in a yoga asana practice as it allows us to listen more closely to the body. Very useful in terms of calibrating how deep we might be going into a particular yoga asana. It's also very useful if we want to meditate in the future. While practicing yoga, you should always breathe in and out, all inhales and exhales through the nose. This not only filters the air that you're taking into your body, but it regulates the temperature of that air. So let's begin. Natural breathing. So firstly, make a commitment for 5 to 10 minutes to this practice. Next, in a comfortable position, cross-legged on the floor or perhaps sitting on your feet. Any position that's going to be comfortable without you moving or fidgeting for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Once you're comfortable, straighten the back, hands resting on the thighs, close the eyes and start breathing in and out through the nose. Don't try to change the breath right now, just breathe normally. Just become aware of the sensation of the air moving in through the nostrils and back out through the nostrils as you exhale. Cool air in, warm air exhale. Take a couple of breaths to just become aware of the movement of the air, and then on the next in-breath, follow the in air past the nostrils, up into the upper nostrils, back of the throat, down into the top of the lungs, middle of the lungs, bottom of the lungs, and then on the exhale, again follow the air back out. In, nostrils, throat, top of the lungs, deep into the lungs, and exhale, lungs, throat, nostril, in and out, in your own rhythm. So you should now be feeling the air moving from the tip of your nostrils right through to the lower parts of the lungs, the diaphragm, as you inhale and exhale slowly. Your back remains straight. This improves the flow of air and energy throughout the body. Your hands remain rested on your knees as the air comes in through the nostrils, back of the throat, top of the lungs, middle, down to the diaphragm. And again, as we just exhale, following the air back up through the throat, nostrils, each time we inhale and exhale, we deepen the breath just a little bit and extend the inhale and the exhale. Not too much each time, just a little bit each time, and never overextending ourselves. Feel the body relax as we extend and deepen the breath. Just take a couple more breaths. And again, when you're comfortable and confident that you can feel the movement of the air right from your nostrils deep into your lungs, try ever so steadily just to increase the length of the breath. So lengthen the in-breath, maybe inhale a bit more deeply, and increase the length of the exhale. Controlled exhale. Slightly longer, not so that it's uncomfortable, but just ever so gradually try and increase the inhale and the exhale. Over time, you will notice that the length of the breath not only extends but deepens quite significantly. As you lengthen and deepen the breath, you'll find yourself feeling more relaxed. And if you're feeling more relaxed, it'll be easier to extend the length and the depth of the breath. Keep the back straight, hands on the thighs, and continue with the extended breath in and out. So continue to practice this for 5 to 10 minutes, as often as you can. Every day would be great, but maybe every 2 or 3 days. And gradually over time you'll find it becomes second nature when you're in this position just to adopt a deeper and more extended, more relaxed breath. A great technique for just de-stressing if you need to. So again, try that and observe the benefits. Once you're confident with natural breathing, you may want to explore other pranayama techniques in some of our other videos. Feel free to do that. But do firstly master the natural breathing. It really is the foundation for all the other pranayama techniques. It's quite simple, it's easy to use whenever you need it, and very, very effective in reducing stress or relaxing yourself. So, practice the pranayama, enjoy the benefits, subscribe to yogi.moksha, feedback, and enjoy. Namaste.